During acupressure point, if you have any kind of allergy, nasal allergy, perfumes allergy, and grass allergy, pollen allergy, any allergy, so press at the top of your ear, right this area at your ear. You just need to give a pressure by your thumb. Just press it at least 10 to 20 times. Second would be right here. This is the area where you need to give a pressure. If you have a lot of sneezing problem, just give a pressure, morning sneezing, at least 10 to 20 times. And third, this is very important, the nose point. So you just need to massage on this area of your nose point at both of your ears, and you will see a lot of difference.